What up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing a hands-free screen door, which is the deluxe version, heavy duty. All right, you can get a whole tray of some pink lemonade. Nice. And I just noticed, it's kind of funny. Think it'll work? Hi, chicken bird. Hopefully this doesn't work on chickens. Okay, wish me luck. Instructions say 1 across the top, 8, 4 on either side. I already made a center mark, which I can't see at all. Maybe you guys see there's a dot in here somewhere. That's my center mark, 19.5 inches. And it's not really center of the doorway like it's supposed to be, but it is center of this and that. So it's gonna be a little bit yonder comparatively, but I already have an extra one of these screen doors sitting in my bedroom. I don't need 2 of them sitting in my bedroom, so I'm going to leave it on if there's any fucking way possible to do that. Okay. You know what? You guys get the idea. You don't need to sit above. Okay, currently 5 goes across the top. 1 through 8. Go down the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, that's gonna work out. Freaking perfect. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that shit. Oh man. Oh fuck yeah, man. Oh fuck yeah. Alright. Alright, boy. As you guys being good boy. Getting any by that mosquito right there. I don't know why it says lay it on the floor. That's why it says lay it on the floor. It says lay it on the floor. I put the shit onto the shit. You know what's really funny is they tell you where's the top and the bottom and A and B and all this and that and this and that. They do not tell you how to tell which way is the front and the back. And they are different. Oh, fuck my life. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna guess this is the back. Yeah, this is the back. Okay. Alright. This is the top. That's a fucking chicken trying to break into the house. Motherfucker. How could you, chicken bird? I swear to God. Okay. Oh, Lord of mercy. Okay. Okay, so. Yeah. Oh. No. No, don't touch me there. Oh, God, fuck you. Oh, no. No. Oh. Chicken. Chicken bird. Okay, I'm gonna go aggressive. We're gonna go aggressive on the fucking thing, okay? We're gonna go soft on the house for some reason. I feel compelled. Hook and loop number 5 is split into 2 separate. Excuse you, chicken. No. I really don't know why I'm doing this. Really hope. That's what they fucking meant. I can't. Alright, now that I did the fucking biggest one first, I'm a fucking idiot. You kinda know what I'm doing wrong now. Doesn't fucking matter what side you fucking use. that one. The only thing that matters is the thing I fucked up. Oh, make sure it's not fucking retarded. Oh, damn it. Kiki. Okay. There's my key. There's my ramen noodle burger, but look at that kitty. Look at these kitties. Okay, so when it says peel half the shit off, we now know fucking exactly what that means. That means leave them fucking together and peel half the shit off. Fucking God. One more fucking word on your goddamn instructions would have fucking stopped all of this from being a fucking motherfucker, man. Okay. Pretty damn. Close bottom. Cut this. Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh man! Oh god! Okay. Please. Got him. I got him. Okay, now I gotta stick it up here. I'm a triple. Is you bringing a good faloofer? Okay, it's going right at the fucking top. And nowhere, absolutely fucking nowhere that I wipe is even gonna touch this thing. Hi, Nanny. I think it's fucking cool, alright? Good enough. Huh. And then I actually can close the door if I have to. Perfect. Right. Okay. There's a couple left. Check it out.